It's 11 p.m. You stopped selling hours ago. But the work didn't stop. Product descriptions, the DMs you've answered 50 times, invoices, captions, the books, none of it makes money. But stop doing any of it, and everything stalls. So what if it all just got done? Without you. That's the bet behind something Anthropic. The company that makes the AI called Claude just launched. It's called Claude for Small Business. And before you roll your eyes at another AI thing, this isn't a chatbot you type questions into. It lives inside a desktop app called Claude Cowork, and it plugs straight into the tools you already pay for. You flip one toggle, and Claude can actually work inside them. Here's what makes it different. Most AI waits for you. You ask, it answers. You do the work. Claude for Small Business runs the workflow itself, 15 of them ready to go. Across your finances, sales, marketing, even customer service. You pick one. Claude does the grunt work, and here's the part that matters. Before anything gets sent, posted or paid, you approve it. You're still the boss. Claude just deletes the boring hours in between. Let's make it real. Say you just dropped a new product. Normally, an hour writing the listing, another hunting for captions, then updating your books once sales trickle in. Now, you hand the whole chain to Claude. It drafts the listing copy, builds your visuals in Canva, and logs the revenue in QuickBooks. One workflow. Or the DMs. Same 5 questions 50 times a day. You teach Claude your answers in your voice once. Anthropic calls that a skill. And it handles them from then on. Running email through HubSpot. Claude can draft and schedule the whole campaign off your real sales data while you sleep. Now, Sam, the part most people miss. You don't build any of this. No setup, no code, no technical anything. The workflows are pre-made, the connections are already there. And the cost? If you've got Claude Pro, $20 a month. You already have it. Open the desktop app, go to Cowork, flip the small business toggle. That's the whole thing. No upgrade, no new subscription. It's just sitting there, waiting. Because here's the truth. If you're a solo seller or a tiny team, your problem was never the product. It's the hours. Every hour buried in admin is an hour you're not creating, not talking to customers, not hunting your next winner. This was built to hand those hours back. AI for sellers is moving insanely fast right now. And I'm breaking down every tool actually worth your time. Subscribe, so the next one finds you first.